Welcome. If you want to enter notification settings in your Huawei P40 Pro Plus, for the first you have to go for the settings. Right now, tap on the notifications, and for example, we can activate the notification content. I mean, we are going to hide the notification content on the lock screen, and then we can go for the manage all applications. And for example, if you get a lot of notifications from maybe from the email and you want to just disable it, you have to click on the switcher, and right now it's turned off, so you're not going to be worried about these notifications from the email. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.